With school starting next week and a pandemic in full swing, students are going to have to take some extra steps to make sure they're safe when moving onto campus this school year. Director of Residence Life and Housing at Wright State University, Dan Bertzos, says his office will be helping students with that process, but move-in will look a lot different from what students typically experience during the beginning of the school year.
We're going to be doing everything we can to keep students safe, and that safety process unfortunately includes no golf carts, many fewer volunteers to reduce the face-to-face contact, a touchless check-in process where they'll receive a Right Start kit.
That kit includes items like hand sanitizer, a key fob door opener, and masks that students and parents are expected to use during move-in. Bertso says the number of students on campus will look different too, each student moving into their own unshared space.
Normally we house 3,000 students on campus, about 2,000 in residence halls, about 1,000 in apartments. And so we're going to cut that down to something just below half.
Bertzos explained students are expected to safeguard their own health as well, limiting casual gatherings to no more than 4 and regularly disinfecting personal spaces. But if a student does have symptoms, he says, they're expected to notify the school and get a test, and he says housing will step in to help with the rest.
Test comes back negative, we may have them quarantined for a while, I expect. If it comes back positive, we're going to quarantine them in a campus apartment that we have pre-staged with fluids, some food and what have you. We're working with our dining services to be able to provide food for those students in those apartments unless they bring some with them.
And Bertzos is encouraging students to make what he calls a go bag full of essential items in case students do need to quarantine throughout the year. He's also asking parents to be extra cautious and timely while moving their kids onto campus this year. For more information about Wright State's move-in, you can click the links below. I'm Lauren Mixon, 2 News, working for you.